Hi everybody, and welcome back to another adventure here. Got the little Massey Ferguson hooked up to the Massey 12 baler here. Bailed a little bit last night. I just bought this baler, so it was kind of untested, and I didn't want to come down here first thing today and nothing working, so I figured I'd have all night to fix it if it wasn't working. But as you can see here, this little guy, it don't miss a beat. Actually, right off the bat, I pulled all the old hay out of it when I first got it down at the house. Pulled everything out, put new twine in it, rethread everything, tripped everything, rolled it over, and actually making a good, nice little tight bale. Just sharpened up the knives on it here this morning, and yeah, so it is what it is. One thing with these balers, if you're buying a Massey 12 or a Massey, these older ones like this, these nothing's greasable on this thing for the most part. Especially on there's no grease fittings on the knotters. It's all sealed bearings, which was a problem. But the main thing, you want to keep as much dust off this knotter assembly here as you can. So I brought the service truck down there and I got the air hose out, and I blew everything out yesterday, and I blew it out again right here before I started. Then I wanted to grease these pinions down in here as well, down in here. But tying a real nice knot, nice tight bale. I'm real satisfied with it. So I think I paid $1,300 for this. Bought it out of Wisconsin. I actually bought this one as a parts baler for my other baler, which actually was a total basket case piece of junk. So it's actually the parts baler now, and this is a pretty good unit. I've already switched the tires off the other one and put on this one. So I'm going to take, like I said, this one's a pretty nice baler, but I'm going to make it even better with some better parts. The sheet metal on the other one's a little bit better. This one has a dent in it over here, so I'll probably replace this here once I get some downtime. But first cutting hay here, usually not the best cutting. I actually had to bush hog this because it had a lot of weeds in it, so it wasn't as thick as it could be for first cutting. So we're gonna get this off here, and I'm gonna fertilize. I wish I would have cut more down. I got more property back in here. Then there's probably 3 or 4 acres back in the back there, and hay as well. Like I said, I wish I knew everything was gonna, with untested equipment, I didn't really want to go ahead and cut everything down. Then my luck, nothing would work the way it's supposed to. So actually everything worked really well. The rake, the 56 rake over there, she worked out pretty good after I put some new teeth on it. But anyways, I'm gonna quit talking here. We're gonna go ahead and get started and get the rest of this baled up here. So it might be 75 or 100 bales. So we'll see what happens. So enjoy.